Looking for an electric trike that's powerful, stable, and worth your money? Watch this video until the very end because I'll reveal which electric trike is the best overall and offers the best value for your money. Whether you're commuting, running errands, enjoying weekend rides, or simply want a safer and more comfortable alternative to a traditional bicycle, this list is carefully researched to help you choose the right electric trike without the guesswork. I'll cover each model's performance, key features, real-world riding experience, and biggest advantages. Let's start the countdown from number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. MOONCOOL Electric Tricycle. It features a 500-watt motor with 750-watt peak output, a 48-volt removable battery, and a durable aluminum frame capable of supporting up to 450 pounds. The folding design makes storage and transportation much easier than many traditional trikes. A front suspension fork and rear differential provide improved comfort and smoother handling on city streets and neighborhood paths. Review highlights. The MOONCOOL is an excellent option for riders who prioritize comfort and practicality. Its high weight capacity, removable battery, and folding frame make it ideal for commuting, shopping, or recreational rides. Pros: 500-watt motor with 750-watt peak power, 48-volt removable battery, foldable aluminum frame, 450-pound load capacity, front suspension for a smoother ride. Number 4 is the Qlife Triker Plus electric trike, a powerful folding model built for longer rides and all-terrain performance. It features a 1200-watt peak motor, a 624-watt-hour battery, and offers a riding range of up to 65 miles with pedal assist. The 20-inch by 4-inch fat tires provide excellent grip and stability on pavement, gravel, and light trails. Review highlights. The Triker Plus delivers a comfortable and stable ride with strong climbing power and impressive battery efficiency. Its foldable design makes it convenient for riders with limited storage space. Pros: 1200-watt peak motor, up to 65-mile riding range, foldable design, fat tires for improved traction, comfortable all-terrain performance. Number 3 spot is the 960-watt peak electric trike, a practical 3-wheel e-bike designed for everyday transportation. Powered by a 960-watt peak motor and a 36-volt 15 amh battery, it offers a riding range of up to 50 miles while reaching speeds of up to 20 miles per hour. A large rear cargo basket provides plenty of storage for groceries, shopping bags, or personal items. Review highlights. This electric trike is perfect for riders who value comfort, stability, and cargo capacity. Its folding frame and fat tires make it a reliable choice for both daily errands and leisure rides. Pros: 960-watt peak motor, up to 50-mile range, large rear cargo basket, folding frame, stable 3-wheel design. KAKIGO Electric Tricycle, a premium fat tire e-trike built for riders who want extra power and enhanced stability. It features a 1350-watt peak motor, a 48-volt 15.6 amh battery, and durable 20-inch by 4-inch fat tires that provide excellent traction across a variety of terrains. The built-in rear differential helps improve turning performance, while the folding frame adds everyday convenience. Review highlights. The KAKIGO stands out with strong acceleration, responsive handling, and comfortable riding experience. Its powerful motor and fat tires make it equally capable for commuting, recreational riding, and light off-road adventures. Pros: 1350-watt peak motor, 48-volt 15.6 amh removable battery, rear differential for smoother turning, foldable frame, and wide fat tires for superior stability. Number 1 spot is the TST electric bike for adults, our pick for best electric trike/electric ride of 2026 based on its overall performance and value. Powered by a 1500-watt peak motor and a 48-volt 15 amh battery, this model delivers impressive acceleration, dependable range, and excellent ride comfort. Review highlights. The TST offers an outstanding combination of power, comfort, and everyday usability. The dual suspension system absorbs bumps effectively, while the fat tires provide confidence on a variety of surfaces. With strong performance and quality components, it delivers one of the best overall riding experiences in its class. Pros: 1500-watt peak motor, dual suspension for maximum comfort, 48-volt 15 mAh battery, 7-speed gear system, fat tires for added stability, LCD display with multiple riding modes, excellent overall value. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Now, as promised, let's talk about the best product overall. After comparing motor performance, battery range, ride comfort, stability, cargo capability, build quality, and overall value, the TST electric bike for adults earns our best overall recommendation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description below for today's latest prices and best deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.